going to write a program to print reverse of half pyramid of stars. As you can see, it will print like this, as it will go from 4 to 1. So first I'm going to make three variables I, j and rows, and I'm taking input of rows from the user and storing it in rows. So then I will make a for loop, and it will go from I rows to from 1 to 1. We go from rows to 1, and we have to just reduce, so it will be like minus minus I. And inside this for loop I'm going to make another for loop, and it will run from j is equal to 1 to j equal to I, and it will be plus plus j. And inside this I'm going to write a program. Basically I'm going to write a print statement, and it will be like this. And now at the end I'm going to write a backslash n. As you can see, I have made a print statement of backslash n, and I'm going to run it. So let's say I'm entering number of rows is equal to 5. It's okay. I forgot to enter I here. Let's say I'm going to 5 rows, so it's like this. So code is working. Thank you for watching.